Umsolwa uDanny Boy Khumalo kusolwa ukuthi wasabisa ngokubulala uMosia ngaphambi kwesigameko. uMosia wabaleka kuleyo ndawo ayehlala kuyo eyinikwe umqashi wakhe ngaphambi kokuthi amadodana akhe adliswe ubuthi. Umama walezingane kusolwa ukuthi ubehlukunyezwa uyise walamadodana akhe amabili. uLesihlo beneminyaka e11 kanye noKoketso obeneminyaka e12 kwabikwa ukuthi babulawa ubaba wabo uDanny Boy okumanje osolwa ngokubulala lamadodana akhe amabili. Kusolwa ukuthi wathumela le video kuNthabiseng Mosia emkhombisa ngesikhathi ethaka ubuthi wabuthela ekudleni kwezingane. Lo mama uthi ubehlukumezeka kakhulu kulobudlelwane nomsolwa.
Inale motho on threatening. Yeah, wait when I get to bully and then check it out and never you regret. Na ke le khotlhela ke o kila ntshsetsa montlung I was 3 months pregnant. Yeah, ena ngwana moleleng wa first born.
Uthi wahlala nakuba ehlukumezeka ngethemba lokuthi izinto zizoba ngcono.
Nentsi ke dula ke khotlheletse re khotla siama. Una a bereka and una gola sentle. Ke lebeletse re monna o tla loka and then amphe life le bana. Go para le basadi ba motla abuse. Ba tswe go thata because o tloluza nthongwe lengwe.
Abasondele nalomndeni bayakufakazela ukuhlukumezeka.
Nthwe ke ntwa khale go iso tswa le bana ba. Ke tsama ke a Tarantone ya teng ke pete ke monke. Re tlele ene mantsi bana ba balea. A boela hona go monna o. After until imana amotla bona sele ba tloga ba ntse ba lwana ibene ke rutla mo bola.
Laba besilisa bacela ukuthi siqine isigwebo sabalahla amacala odlame olwenyamene nobulili.
We are the only people that can stop this thing, and we are the only people that are supposed to take care of these children and these women because we're saying that we love them.
Longoti uthi akukho lula njengoba kushiwo ukushiya ubudlelwane okunokuhlukumezeka.
Leaving abusive relationships doesn't guarantee these women's safety, and they actually live shrouded in fear. Several other factors that prevent women from leaving can be divided really into 3 domains. So emotional and psychological factors, and then social and cultural factors. So often the fear of leaving is far worse than the fear of staying.
Yize umsolwa uDanny Boy esagcinwe esitokisini njengoba alaxaza isicelo sebheyili, uMosia uthi usethuka izanya. Kusolwa ukuthi namanje usathola imiyalezo yeWhatsApp kanye nezingcingo. Ukhumalo usakwazi ukumthola efonini yakhe. Umndeni kaMosia uyangabaza ukuthi umsolwa uzogwetshwa ngamacala awenza.